لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله.
Seekers Guidance is committed to reviving Islamic scholarship. One of the keys to doing so is the Arabic language. Alhamdulillah, the Seekers Guidance Arabic language program has a world-class learning Arabic program taught by specialists in teaching Arabic as a second language. You can begin right from the very beginner stage of Arabic up to proficiency. And for students who are dedicated, you will now also have access to small group tutorials, all offered completely free. The Arabic language program also has a mastering Arabic language stream that has top ulama specialized in the sciences of the Arabic language, so that students of knowledge, those seeking to deepen and broaden their understanding of the Arabic language, can study the classical sciences of Nahu, Sarf, and Balagha in a structured way to a very clear curriculum towards depth and mastery of the Arabic language. These courses of the Arabic language program are taught with excellence and offered completely free. We call upon you both to benefit from them, but also to support Seekers Guidance so that we can reach millions of students who are seeking guidance, seeking the knowledge of the religion that will revive their hearts, minds, and souls and empower them to serve their communities with excellence. So benefit from these courses, but also become a monthly supporter to Seekers Guidance.
لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله.